Hello, so what is up guys? I hope you all are doing fine. So in this video I'm going to show you that how can you install Half-Payne in your Half-Life that is correct. It's not the original version of Half-Life, it's a non-Steam version. So the procedure you are going to do is like kind of difficult and tricky, but if you guys follow exactly how I'm doing and follow every step I'm doing and have a bit understanding of how things work, then it's going to be easy for you. So here are 4 steps that are going to help you play this mode. So the first thing is you have to download Counter-Strike 1.6. so if you already have Half-Life installed and it has some other modes, then the Half-Payne is probably not going to work in your Half-Life. You have to download Counter-Strike 1.6. I know when you download Counter-Strike 1.6 there would be a Half-Life inside of it. This Half-Life does not contain any mode, it's just an empty Half-Life. This is how it's going to help us install Half-Payne, otherwise you won't be able to install it. So copy this link. All of these links in this tutorial would be present in description and in comment section, so no need to worry. Okay, so this is the first site to download Counter-Strike, or you can say Half-Life. So when you scroll down a bit, here you see these are the 2 download buttons. So the first is download setup. If you think that you have a faster internet like 1 MB per second, you can just hit this thing and you can download your game. But if you think that you have a slow internet connection, then you hit the download torrent file. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand this step. Now here comes our second step. Second step is make sure you have Steam installed. Now I know the Half-Life we are installing is correct version, it has nothing to do with Steam, but believe me, you have to have Steam installed. Just keep it, because with this Steam we are going to launch this game, otherwise you won't be able to play it. It will throw errors. Okay, here comes our third step. Third step is download Half-Payne MOD. So here's the link. You have to copy this link and you have to download Half-Payne from here. Okay, let me show you how to download. Just click the download button and just download the latest Half-Payne version. I don't think I need to explain this, but just for the sake of tutorial I'm going to do it anyway. Okay, just click download now, and here you'll see this is the, you have to just click here and it will start downloading. It's as simple as this. And another last step is that you have to download some DLL files. Okay, these files are very necessary. You won't be able to play the game without these files. These are some fixed files. Just hit this latest client.dll version. Just download this thing. Okay, I hope once you download all of these files, your download the files might look like this. Okay, now let me explain what we did, like what things we did. The first thing is setup of Counter-Strike 1.6. you have to install this thing. If you launch this thing for first time, it will take so long, like maybe around 3 minutes just in loading to launch this setup. I mean, if you open this file and nothing happens, just wait for around like 3 minutes and install this thing. Once you install this, right click on this, open file location, and here you will see this Half-Life thing. Just like it's necessary to create a desktop shortcut for this thing. Okay, here is our Half-Life. Let's rename it to Half-Life. Okay, here you go, we got our Half-Life here. Okay, so the first step of installing this thing is copying the mod. Like this is the main step. You have to go to like this is the Half-Payne mod. Wait, let me open to show you how it looks inside of this. This is a WinRAR file. You have to extract all of these. Once you extract these, go to this top folder named Half-Payne, copy all of these files. I already have them, but for the sake of tutorial I'm going to paste them again. So you have to paste all of these in your Valve folder here. Once you paste, it will ask for if you want to replace these files or not. Replace every single thing it asks. Just replace all of these. Okay, by the way guys, if you get any errors or your game is not working, maybe try doing everything again, like restart everything, uninstall Counter-Strike and start doing all these things again. There might be something that you did in a wrong way, or you forget to do something, and start following this tutorial from beginning. Okay, so let this thing to happen. Okay, so we have copied all of these, and just you basically have to copy the content of this first folder into your wall folder. Just ignore these, all of these files. You don't have to do anything with this. By the way, there's a HD folder. If you understand, then you can do this, but I don't do this. Okay, I'm in download folder. We have did the first step. Now the second step is to copy these fixed DLL files. The first file we have is delta.lst. Okay, we are inside our wall folder. Just to show you again, go to your wall folder. There you might see a file named delta.lst. Just replace this thing with the fixed DLL file. Just replace this. And here's a bit tricky part. You have to copy these two folders, and you also have to replace these folders here. But the thing is that, wait, I'm going to show you. What you have to do is to copy, like these both folders should be same, like these two files. Just copy these two files and they should be DLL and DLLS. They both folder should look exactly same. I mean, because I already did this, so files are not missing, but files would be missing in your case. So you have to make these both folders look exactly same. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, we did two steps, and now is our third step. So the third step is to launch your Steam and go there, aid a game. You'll see a plus icon. Hit the aid a game. If you don't see a plus icon, go to your games and add a non-Steam game to my library. Click this and you'll see a lot of these things here. You will also see Half-Life here. If you don't see, you can browse this Half-Life file here. So I'm just going to check and add selected program. So Half-Life is now added to my Steam. Now what I'm going to do is to launch this. Okay, so I'm going to launch this to show you guys if it is working or not.